Let's move on to next section, section number 8, which is build a full whitelist dApp. Hope you all have completed this section. Very informative one. Now let's click on it. Okay, what we are going to build in it? Build a whitelist dApp for upcoming NFT collection. Excuse me. You are launching your NFT collection named Crypto Devs. You want to give your or early supporter access to whitelist for your collection. So here you are creating a whitelist app for Crypto Devs. Now let's see. So what are the requirements? Whitelist access should be given to the first 10 users for free who want to get in. There should be a website where people can go and enter into the whitelist. So we are creating these features in whitelist DApp, NFT whitelist DApp. Now, what are the prerequisites? You can write code in JavaScript. Okay, yes, we can because we have completed freshman track. Have a setup of my MetaMask wallet. Yes, we have already set up it here. And your computer has Node.js installed. Yes, we already have Node.js installed. So prerequisites are there. If not, kindly do check the freshman track and download Node.js also. Now there is a video also that define this app. Let's see. Let's follow the tutorial. Now let's first build a smart contract. To build a smart contract, we will be using Hardhat. Hardhat is an Ethereum development environment and framework designed to full stack development solidity. In simple words, you can write your own smart contract and deploy them, run, test, and debug your code. First, you need to create a whitelist DF folder where the Hardhat project and your Next.js app will later go. Open up a terminal and execute these commands. So let's start it.